pwd command. It stands for print working directory and does the same. Hello everybody. This is Navneet and you are watching pwned by Navneet. Let's open a terminal and try getting the output from pwd on the same window. So we get the output as /home/Kali. Now Kali here is our user's name. And according to the output we are in the Kali user folder. If you haven't watched my previous videos in the series, I recommend watching them before. The link will be shown with the help of I button at the top right corner, and are also provided in the description. Let us use ls to list out the files and folders. Now let's navigate to desktop using cd command. Let me pwd to check where we have reached in the terminal. So we are in /home/Kali/desktop. Now the question is, why do we need to use this command in the terminal? Answer is simple. Many a times we get confused while using the terminal window as a beginner. So using pwd at times is a good practice to get your way out for the next command you need to execute.